This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheel diagonally opposite the wheel to be removed. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced bracket midway along the door sill. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the rear subframe front mounting point. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Place the jack under the outer end of the lower control arm, then raise it slightly to take the load from the shock absorber. Lift the luggage compartment floor panel and remove the insulation pieces to access the shock absorber upper mounting. Using a Torx key to hold the piston rod stationary, slacken and remove the upper mounting nut. Clean the threads if necessary, then unscrew and remove the lower mounting bolt. Withdraw the shock absorber from under the vehicle. Maneuver the new shock absorber into position. Engage the piston rod with the upper mounting, then refit the lower mounting bolt. Tighten the lower mounting bolt to the specified torque. Fit the upper mounting nut and tighten it to the specified torque. Refit the insulation pieces and the floor panel. Lower the control arm. Refit the wheel to the hub and align the mounting bolt holes. Insert the bolts and lightly tighten them. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.